bought this, some pair of jeans. Let me show you guys. These are inner wear. I'll net some night wear jeans. Dope. Whew. This one, I think I will be taking this. Yes, this one is for me. I'll be taking this one. I'm sure you like this one.
Yes.
See this. Hey, wait, Chineke, my hand. See this one. And this one is also for me. See this one. This one is also jeans. I'm going to take this one also. It's finished, and this is the last one. How many pair was the jeans? I think 11. Yes. 11 pair of jeans. 11 pair of jeans for, I think it was 50. You know, we bought 2 from another shop. 10,000. 10,000 plus 55. That is how much?
65.
65,000 naira for all the jeans. And also with this one. 65. Jesus. And we bought some inner wear. Some sleeping wear for me. This is the top. This one is also for me. And this is the top. Sleeping wear. This one is also for me. And this one, sorry, just come off the packet. This one is for my sister. Yep. It's a long dress. Oh, but this cloth long root. Long dress. Hey, after you do back. I bought some face cap. Okay, let me show you this one. I bought this for my brother, my little brother. This one, this perfume, this one, so long, for my sister and my brother. This body cream is for my sister also, and some soap. And I bought this for myself. And I got this face towel. This color and this color and this face towel. We sure that is finished, Abby?
Yes.
So guys, these are everything I bought from the market. My sister, she came to visit me, so she will be leaving. So I said, let me go get some things for her. So these are everything I bought. These are the things. So guys, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, please. It will go a long way. Please like my videos, please, and also turn on your notification bell post anytime so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.